Innovation, research, medical cases, formulations, mechanisms. We decode all the medical advances. Welcome to Drugs Decode. Every drug must go through 4 phases of testing on humans before and after approval. Each phase has a unique purpose, starting with basic safety, then moving to effectiveness, larger comparison, and long-term monitoring. Phase 1 is where it all begins. The drug is tested on a small group, around 20 to 100 healthy. The goal? To determine if the drug is safe. Researchers monitor how the body absorbs, metabolizes, and eliminates the drug, also known as pharmacokinetics, and how it affects the body, that's pharmacodynamics. This phase often involves dose escalation, starting with a low dose and gradually increasing it to find the maximum tolerated dose. In phase 2, we shift focus to patients who actually have the disease, usually around 100 to 300. This phase answers the critical question, does the drug work? Researchers also begin to identify the optimal dose and monitor short-term side effects. Studies here are often randomized and placebo-controlled and sometimes double-blinded. A real-world example? Pembrolizumab, a breakthrough cancer therapy, showed promising tumor reduction during its phase 2 trials. Phase 3 is the most comprehensive, involving thousands of patients, often across multiple countries. Here, the drug is compared to existing standard treatments. It's the final proof of both safety and efficacy. Most phase 3 trials are randomized controlled trials, considered the gold standard in clinical research. A historic example? The Pfizer BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine enrolled over 43,000 participants worldwide, showing 95% efficacy before getting approved. Once phase 3 is complete, all trial data, from phase 1 to phase 3, is submitted to the FDA as part of a new drug application or NDA. The FDA thoroughly reviews the clinical trial results, side effect profiles, manufacturing processes, and the drug's risk-benefit ratio. If the evidence proves the drug is safe, effective, and well-controlled, will the FDA grant marketing approval, allowing it to be prescribed to the public. So phase 3 isn't just about testing. It's the final checkpoint before a drug becomes officially approved. Even after approval, the story doesn't end. Welcome to phase 4, post-marketing surveillance. This phase monitors long-term safety, detects rare or delayed side effects, and evaluates real-world effectiveness. Sometimes these findings can lead to changes in labeling, or even withdrawal of the drug, like rofecoxib or Vioxx, which was pulled from the market after phase 4. Data revealed increased risks of heart attacks and strokes. Let's recap. Phase 1, safety and dosage. Phase 2, efficacy and short-term side effects. Phase 3, large-scale confirmation. Phase 4, long-term monitoring in the real world. Each step is essential in ensuring that drugs are safe, effective, and reliable for patients. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow healthcare enthusiasts. Thank you.